Question 3. When are you going to travel? I went to travel in November. I my vacation. What city? I want to know Medellin. Place are you going to visit? I visit the Botero Sculpture. Where are you going to stay? I want to stay in the Loret Towns of Paisa. What are you going to fix? I wear gear coat because it is cold and night. How are you going to invite that travels? I will invite my parents, my husband, and my children. What activity will you doing to place? I won't visit Guatapé. I won't travel in the Sogay. I the flower fair and I won't instead tipping the chase. How much money will you spend here? I would spend here 5 million on this trip. Will you praise and subventionate fun vacation? If and funds pay back money on my vacation. Late credit. Bye bye, teacher.